there is a flood. So what at that time water level. Otherwise, most of the water I can see the pipes. They come and collect it. And after an hour, everything is set. That will absorb. See, the raw soil, it cannot absorb water. It may absorb only 5%. But lawns, because the water cannot flow out of it, stop being stagnant. So that's how the water is completely recycled. And these creepers, so these are the roots, you can see. And every 1 week or 15 days, we just trim this. So, when we trim, these clippings are not there. All the clippings are connected and they are useless green. Plant waste, just throw it on the ground like this. So it starts disintegrating. And once it disintegrates, I put it in this. And put mud. These are all the waste. So, whenever I get some even waste, I just bring it and keep it. So I reuse it for filling. For this entire box doesn't contain half is filled with thermocol waste pieces, so that the mud requirement comes from, and the total weight of this one will also come. I cannot grow anything here because there is this one main pipe. So once in a year, once in 2 years, they come and if there is a crop, they open it and clean it from here to there. So we cannot put anything. We can grow only at the edge, so that even when they do everything, our plants will not be put only in the edges.
Nowadays they are not giving this kind of
Conservancy is not here.
No, it is not. And also the wind is too much wind. Wind as well as just the sun. So the direct sun doesn't follow. Tall growing Ashoka trees. So lot of sun is prevented. And this pergola, that way it will cut about 40% of the sun rays as an engineering.
Yes, yes.
And that pergola also contains creepers. That will again cut the. But air movement is not. Wind is prevented. Air is so even when there is a lot of that coming, all these trees here also. This is not this. They prevent their the breakers of the sound, noise, as well as the excess sun, and also dust. So vehicle movement dust, it will take all the load. So not. So dust is prevented, sound is reduced, noise is reduced, pollution is reduced. Night, they pass on the kitchen waste and we put it. So all the kitchen waste will be put here and just close it. And these are all filters with mud. So just once it is filled, we just put one layer of mud, leave it. 3 months you get gold's gold. Yeah, this is manure. And these are all airtight lids. When we pour, it goes and locks there.
ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಗುಡ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಟೆರಕೋಟಾ ಪಾಟು ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಇವಾಗ ಅಮೆಝಾನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಬಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ ವೇರ್ ಥರ್ಮೋಕೋಲ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಯಾ
So air
Light weighting.
yeah, like handling is very easy.
ಅಂಡ್ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಸೀಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ
Just we have to leave it for 3 months for biological disease. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ಟು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಪುಟ್ ವಾಟರ್ ವರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ See these are all clippings of the plants and see even the fruits everything we just put it see the mango
Yes.
so they form very good nutrients for the plants.
Soil.
Yeah, we have never purchased any manure for any of these. Just take one bowl, just put it. All these are all same compost. See the leaves and all these cuttings, clippings. You chop them, put mud, one layer, and after some days put another layer of chop, put another layer of mud. So 2-3 layers of mud, just close it, leave it. You need not do anything, no churning, no everything. Naturally decompose. Yeah. These are all thermocol boxes. They are waste boxes, usually available by these chemical industries, fish industries, pharma industries, where they bring the medicines in cool. They will put ice packs and all these, especially these injections and hormone injections, vaccines mainly. They come in these boxes. They are easily available with the wholesale dealers of these medicines, that is pharma industry, not from retailers.
Not from
Retailers, they buy only smaller number,
Correct.
so hold it. And also, if you go to this fish market, the fishes are brought by rice packages to these 5-star hotels. They get in these boxes. And smaller boxes, they are also available, and they are available with so many shops. They get small products and usually, and also for houses, these refrigerators, everything, they come. They have these pieces because they use it for packing. So if you get the box, fine. Even if you don't get the box, you can make a box by taking 4-5. So if you get sheets, waste sheets, convert that, cut it into 5 pieces, take measurements, you can make. So craft teachers, they will be knowing. You have to use glue. So after that one, once the pot you have got, if the pot is big one, if you put soil, you require so much mud. You don't get mud that easily in the cities. And they charge 5 to 6 rupees per kg if you try to buy mud from the menu stores. It's quite expensive. Though it looks ordinary, this one. To get one heap of mud is not. That's a quality mud. Red mud. So what I do is, I fill it with 50% these thermocol waste. Thermocol waste are easily available. All packing materials, these are all packing materials. So make them into smaller pieces, just like petals. Fill that to 50% or whatever then. So that, and make a hole. To make a hole, we have heater. Heating it. Just plug it. Get heated. Yeah. Just put it into the. Once it is heated, it melts. And the thermocol is that type. You can observe. The hole which I have made.
Yeah, we saw it in
Yeah.
some.
Yeah.
There's some look like
Hardly damages. And the thermocol melts there. And I use this even to cut the cloth. Make a hole and just turn it. It will just take very easy. So the first step is to fill it with waste thermocol pieces. Then second step is to make a hole, required hole. If it is too big, you can make a hole here so that 3/4 of the thermocol is filled. And otherwise, you can make it anywhere. That is the thing. With experience, we know also. Then once we fill that one, then the rest you fill it with this green waste. And the top 2 or 3 inches put soil.
Only 3-4 inches soil. That's all. Not from the bottom.
ವಾಟರ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ I mean,
It absorbs such a
very
0.5 ml per cubic centimeter per year.
so other than a water retention.
Retention is, I will show you. It will be there. It absorbs, but absorption is slow. So the leakage is hardly there is a leak. And that is advantageous. So much porosity is advantageous for the plant because aeration. This and then put to this green waste and then soil. That proportion you can change depending upon the type of plant you use. So ultimately the total weight should not be changed. So that you yourself should be able to take it up. That is the mind. Why I am using less soil is one thing, difficult to get the soil. Second thing, why unnecessarily waste of the soil? Because plant doesn't require the soil. Why soil is required? To keep it sturdy, that's all. For firmness. Otherwise, real soil is not required. You can grow even with the air also, provided you can give aeroponics, hydroponics. Yeah. So, because they require nutrients, not the soil. Soil is a media through which the water and the nutrients enter the roots. So, making use of that one, I am using the thermocol in the base. So, when they grow, all the roots will be here, surrounding the thermocol. And water, whatever we put, up to the thermocol is one, what will be there always. Because water outlet I have put here,
Yeah.
So it won't go over. So even if you put the water monthly once also, the plants will survive. So you need not put water with it. But when you put, you should see that the water comes out here. So till then you have to put. Oh.
So the excess water.
Yeah. So that we know so much water reservoir is. That I will show you. So after that, topsoil, then plant it. And to prevent the excess growth of the weeds, put another leaf. The leaf whichever is already there. Anyhow it would have come. So make a hole accordingly, whichever whatever the diameter you want for the plant. Put it. And stay. And then I put the tape so that erosion of the thermocol doesn't occur easily. Wear and tear is because this is a delicate. Any sharp object it will, so it gets damaged easily. It is quite hard, but delicate. Any sharp object it can poke easily. Yeah. So for that, what I do is I put this adhesive tapes all around. It has two things. One, cleaning is easy, and it doesn't dust accumulation will not be there, and evaporation is reduced, and looks because the mud this one easily the stain will not. And most important, another thing is at the top I put like this so that the lid doesn't go easy with the wind. It won't. Because whenever we use 5-6 times, it becomes loose. It's like so now it doesn't. And another thing is, this is not one single piece. So several pieces I can put and the leaf, many times you don't get the leaf. So these waste pieces just arrange. See, these are all multiple pieces. So just and lay the opening. And from here we plant, we put up lights or through the post. So. And even this post, many times I close it with another. Like, so that further evaporation will happen. So that these are all intensity, yeah. Succulents. They are succulents. So when we put, I use this lid. See there. See.
Yeah.
And when we want to put the water, just remove the lid and put it. So otherwise, these unnecessary plants will grow. Weeds will come. Can you see the weed? So to prevent the weed, and whenever I remove the weed, I don't throw them out. I put it in the green weed. Nothing is, and that will be again put back to recycle. Yeah. See the way. Need some either because this pole is relatively light. Otherwise, so much mud.
Anybody?
And even these pots, you can lift easily. They look big.
They are not very big. Make poles